I'm Carl Johnson. I'm Principal Software Engineer at Cyan Worlds. Cyan Worlds is a video game developer, and we primarily build puzzle games. A software engineer is responsible for implementing code, designing that code, designing how it'll be used, and maintaining that software. And for Cyan Worlds, when you play one of our games, what you're doing is you're interacting with the software that's built, and that software is used to display images on the screen. So every tree, blade of grass, rock, that required a software engineer. In order to use a controller and make that controller move you around that space, that required a software engineer. To make it run on the platform to begin with requires a software engineer. So we're really, from head to toe, we are responsible for implementing everything that a user might interact with. We're building worlds. We are building this level of interaction, this entertainment medium that encompasses things like storytelling, music, animation, art, and we actually get to imbue the game with our own artistic reflection. Software engineer is basically found in every single industry on the planet. It's definitely not specific to being in video games. We help develop industries, new and old. We take care of problems. We design solutions. If you're interested in sports, if you're interested in flight, like aviation, really there's no industry that we don't have a hand in. Becoming a software engineer starts with you. You need to be motivated, and right now you can either go to a traditional program, so a bachelor's in computer science or even associates in computer science now, or you can start today. I personally learned software engineering from high school and was just self-motivated and did it that way. So anyone can actually go online and learn about software engineering or programming in general online for free. Doesn't cost a dime. You need to be self-motivated to just get going. So some of the skill sets that make you a very successful software engineer is being a team player. This might come up in a lot of jobs, but really we work with teams of not only other engineers, but we work with people, and especially in my field, a lot of artists, a lot of designers, a lot of stakeholders. And so your ability to be flexible with them and those interpersonal skills really come into play. If you're already in this field, you probably have some amount of computer science, you have some amount of math. So those things are very important, but they're not as important as being able to work with others and to also see and take your time and use it appropriately to achieve the goals that everybody wants to reach. Let's say you're making a website, and then all of a sudden you want to make a change and you find some other industry really interesting to you. You can actually take those skills with you. They're very mobile. Not everything, but that's where your ability to learn will come in. So you need to stay on top of things that you already know or you think you already know. You need to develop skills that get you into the positions that you really would like to see yourself in. My favorite thing is once we release a game, we can actually go online and watch people play our games live. We can interact with them on different websites as they're streaming, see how things are going, and seeing people's excitement about what we've made is actually really amazing. And there's just no other feeling like it.